Hey guys, well, the Mudboss is back. Yeah. She's had to go completely through the gearbox. I had the bearing on the outdrives on both sides literally just disintegrated. So that's not a good thing. But it is now fixed. And let me see here if I can. Yeah, baby. She's back. Back. It's been down for quite a while. I thought it was the motor bearings that were bad. So I tore the motor apart and they were okay. I ended up replacing them anyway. So I just went ahead and did that, but then I noticed how bad the gearbox was shaking around, and the gears were fine, but it just disintegrated the outdrive bearings, and I mean, they were just metal shavings, metal dust all over the inside of the gearbox just because of those bearings. But yeah, she's back. So got races twice this week. Friday night at 419 Raceway. Let's see if I can get the body on here. Friday night 419 Raceway, and then Saturday at USA. And of course, I can't get the body on it, but that's okay. So she's back. Thanks, guys. See ya.